Stop it! Come dance with me! Come on! Will you dance with me? Huh? What are you here for? Please dance with me? Please?
Will you please help me off the ground?
Will you dance with me?
Yeah.
Were you recording that?
Yeah. I was hoping to get a video of you planking on Audrey. Trying to at least.
You definitely did.
Try it again, please.
Hardcore
Maybe you should
gymnastics.
go like.
Look at Tuffy.
Let's do this.
Cute little Tuffy.
Come in here so you don't hit your foot on something.
Yeah, no shit.
We didn't say you had to start before you did it.
I know, man.
Give me 2 shirts.
3 actually. I got one on there.
Let's go.
Plank.